Aloha Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Wednesday, December 9th. The Department of Health reported 2 new cases today. Both cases are adult male residents and neither is hospitalized. Both are community-acquired infections. All active cases are in isolation, close contacts are being identified, offered testing, and directed to quarantine. Investigations are ongoing. We currently have 12 active cases, all in isolation, and 1 is hospitalized on Oahu. We have 41 people in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is now 145, including 126 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 18 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. Kauai Police and the Hawaii National Guard are tracking more than 1,800 cases of travel-related quarantine. For additional information on our COVID cases, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. As a reminder, pursuant to Mayor's Emergency Rule 23, all travelers arriving on Kauai are subject to a 14-day mandatory quarantine, regardless of any pre- or post-travel test. The quarantine includes visitors and residents who are flying from the mainland as well as inter-island. There is no testing exemption. Governor Ige has announced that next week he will reduce the 14-day travel quarantine to 10 days in accordance with CDC recommendations. We will keep the public updated once the new 10-day quarantine period goes into effect. We continue to lobby for a mandatory post-travel testing program with a shorter quarantine period. This model is consistent with CDC travel guidelines, which discourages travel overall. However, the CDC specifies that if you must travel, you should take a pre- and post-travel test. To view the CDC's travel guidelines, visit cdc.gov/COVID-19/travel. If you are a Kauai resident interested in being tested for COVID-19, Kauai County and the Hawaii State Department of Health provides free COVID-19 testing at rotating sites every Sunday through the end of the year. These tests are available to all residents for free, including those who are uninsured. Please pre-register at kauai.gov/test. Testing is offered from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. this Sunday, December 13th at Hanapepe Stadium, Sunday, December 20th at Vidina Stadium in Lihue, and Sunday, December 27th at the Brian J. Baptiste Sports Complex in Kapa'a. Please bring your registration confirmation and an ID to the testing site. Test results are expected in 3 to 5 days. As a reminder, if you are experiencing symptoms and have health insurance, please contact your physician immediately. Do not wait for surge testing to be tested. If you plan on participating in surge testing, please consider supporting the Toys for Tots Toy Drive. The County, Department of Health, and Kauai Marine Corps League will conduct drive-up Toys for Tots drop-offs at each of the next 3 surge testing locations. You can get a test and also drop off a new unwrapped toy in a safe, socially distanced manner at the same time. A toy donation is not required to participate in the free testing program. Vaccines are expected to be available to select high-risk populations in Hawaii in the next few weeks. To get the latest information on the state's efforts to roll out the COVID-19 vaccines as they become available, please visit the State Department of Health's vaccine page at hawaiicovid19.com/vaccine. The Department of Health has commissioned an online survey to assess concerns and preferences about COVID-19 vaccines. The county strongly encourages community participation in this survey to be sure that Kauai's needs can be met. The survey is entirely voluntary, but your participation is appreciated. If there are individual questions you are not comfortable answering, you may skip them. You can take the survey at this site, hawaii-doh-covid-19.questionpro.com. Food and other resources and services will be available in Anahola from 9 to 11 a.m. this Saturday, December 12th. The Festival of Hope for Families is a service of Child and Family Service and various community partners. For details and registration, please visit childandfamilyservice.org/festival. There are just 2 weeks left to Christmas, and we want to encourage everyone doing holiday shopping to please consider shopping local this year. One way to do that safely is to visit kawaimade.net. You will find all Kauai made products and gifts for the holidays. Additionally, you may purchase Kauai made gift baskets at malamakauai.store. There are still several food distribution programs underway on our island. The State Department of Education's Grab and Go School Meals program runs weekdays through Friday, December 18th. The program provides free meals to children ages 18 and younger. 1 lunch per child is provided. Please call your local schools for serving times. The county and the 2 Kauai food banks are conducting the Kupa'a Kauai food distribution every week to the end of the year for food insecure individuals and families. Households can pick up food once per week but must pre-register. Registration starts on Saturdays for the next week, and you're asked to register at least 48 hours before the distribution. Please be sure your email is correct. To register or for distribution times and locations, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the green button that says Food Distribution. Many of our food distribution efforts benefit greatly from donations from our community's agricultural producers. In coming days, E Olamau na Leo o Kekaha and the Hawaii Food Bank Kauai branch will be distributing more than 1,300 pounds of fresh, locally raised shrimp donated by Kauai Shrimp. Aina Ho'okupu o Kilauea and Kekaha Agricultural Association, with the support of Kanaka School, will provide 500 pounds of island-raised kalua pork to families in need. This giving event is in honor of Val Kanashiro. Mahalo to all for your generosity. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.